In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the header height padding in Shopify, whether you're working on a desktop or mobile device. This process is pretty simple, but it can really transform the look of your online store by giving it an organized and balanced appearance. So let's dive into the step-by-step instructions that will guide you through this task. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify store. Once you're logged in, your starting point will be your store's homepage on Shopify's admin panel. This is where you'll manage everything related to your online store, from tracking orders to customizing its look and feel. Getting here is as simple as logging into your account. The next step is to find the Online Store option located in the left-hand menu. Clicking on this will direct you to all the theme options available for customizing your store. It's your gateway to making your site aesthetically pleasing and functional for your users, so let's click on that. Once you've arrived in the Online Store section, look for the Customize button and give it a click. This is where the magic happens. The Customize Theme Editor lets you change the layout and style of your store. It's a very powerful tool that offers you a live preview of your changes, which is incredibly helpful as you design your site. With the editor open, direct your attention to the top left of the page and locate the Header section. Headers are crucial since they often contain your logo, navigation menus, and other key options that help guide visitors through your site. Tap on Header to start adjusting its settings. Now that you're in the Header settings, look for the option called Padding. Padding refers to the space between elements or the content inside sections and their boundaries. Adjusting the padding can give your header room to breathe, making it look less cluttered and more visually appealing. You can adjust the padding to your preferred size by sliding the adjustment bar or entering specific values. It's really about finding what looks best for your store's aesthetic and ensuring all elements are aligned in a way that's easy on the eyes. After you've set the padding to your liking, make sure to check both the desktop and mobile views to ensure consistency across devices. Shopify's responsive design is essential for maintaining a professional look no matter how customers access your site. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted the header height padding on your Shopify store. Remember, you can revisit these settings anytime to make further tweaks and adjustments. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helps you enhance your Shopify store's presentation. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.